Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest 8.8-inch Android screen anti-glare blue that we installed in a BMW 650. It's convertible. That's where we put our universal lip mount. A lot of customers, they're asking where do you put the camera for 6 series. That's where we put it. And as I said, this is the convertible one. And that's the Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. You can use the knob without any problem. You can use Google Maps. Going to reverse, it shows the back of the car with dynamic line, and all the sensors are working too. And we can go back to the main menu by going to BMW logo on Apple CarPlay, and we can go to home. We can scroll left and right on the menu. That's the RPM, which is really cool, and you can change it to sport mode if you want, which is red, or you can choose energy saving mode or comfortable mode. For this car I prefer the sport mode. And also we can go back to the factory iDrive, which is a CCC. By touching the screen we go back to the aftermarket mode, and I can go back to AutoKit again. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and we can get these units installed in your vehicle. These are the latest one. They come with anti-glare blue screen. That's our default unit, and nobody have this feature in the market with the basic unit. Thank you and have a great day.